Ho, ho, ho.
Good morning. Merry Christmas. This is every morning with a big smile on her face.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're free.
Your first Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
Get your legs up. Stretching those legs. Whee!
I'm free. Good morning, sweetie.
This is every morning we get these smiles and
Good morning.
she's so happy.
This is when kids are still happy to see you in the morning.
Merry
Now we walk in on the morning. Close the door. Turn out the light. When I get up. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay, now it's time to get your bite. Mommy
gonna try to
change your
roll it.
diaper.
Trying to show off.
How many pacifiers you get here?
2.
2. Okay. Found 6 in there one day. Look how cute you are. Look how cute.
And
you
I
are.
need a diaper change. Woof.
Some fat, hairy old man was in our house last night. And he left stuff all over the place.
My goodness.
And he had these reindeer things, and they left stuff all over the yard.
My
Chase's out there handling that now.
Oh my goodness. Well, let's feed you so you can get your toys.
And come down and see what the old man did downstairs.
Okay.
See what the Santa Claus did.
She's like, okay.
So we gonna feed me?
Yeah, so I'm going to change this diaper and feed me.
Hi, Bill.
Look at her face. She's like, what the heck is that?
That's what Santa Claus sounds like.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I heard your army crack.
Good morning. Merry Christmas, precious. Merry Christmas, precious. Oh, she looks like she wants her bot. Okay, say goodbye for now.